Okay, guys, so today's game is a bingo wrap up. Our first word, nice and easy. It means hello in Spanish. The word is hola. Look through your paper and look for the word hola. It is spelled Hola. In Spanish, we do not make the H sound, so it's hola. O-L-A. Hola. Our next word is how we say sit in Spanish. Specifically means you sit, is the word siéntate. Now, there is supposed to be an accent mark over this E. I always forget how I'm supposed to do it. We don't need accent marks. Siéntate. Sit in Spanish. Okay. Our next word is repeat. Sometimes I'm going to tell you just to repeat the word I say, but it's in Spanish. Repeat. Look for it. It is repitan. Our next word is goodbye, but in Spanish. So the word is adios. Adios. I'm going to try really hard to put the accent on this one. Tools. No, I don't have it activated. Add-ons. Just give me the letter. No, okay. Stand up. Think of the word levitate, to lift vertically. Levántate. Levántate. Stand up. Next word is attention. I need you to pay attention. And in Spanish, it is the word atención. Atención. All right. Gonna go way back now to days of the week. We're gonna do Tuesday. Named after the planet Mars. Tuesday is named after the planet Mars. It is Martes. Martes. That's how we say Tuesday in Spanish. Martes. Next up, we have good morning. Buenos días. And again, I'm supposed to have an accent over the I. We'll worry about accents in 4th grade. Our next word is come here. But in Spanish, of course, come here is ven acá or aquí. I'll do aquí. Well, they're both on your card. Ven acá or aquí. Come over here or come here. See how they're almost the same. Ven aquí, come here. Ven acá, come over here. Next up, we have the word silence. Stop talking, silence. And that is silencio. Silencio, Bruno. Now we have the word for Wednesday. Remember? Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. And Wednesday is miércoles. Good way to remember miércoles is Wednesday. Miércoles is the longest word for days of the week, and Wednesday is the longest word for days of the week. And they have the same number of letters. Wednesday, miércoles. Next up, we have good afternoon. Good afternoon is buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. And I think we're about done. That should be enough people to have a winner. I'm going to keep going with this video for another minute. Our next one is listen. Listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying. But in Spanish. And that is escuchen. Escuchen. Listen. Move that up. Escuchen. Listen. And our next one is please. Please do me the favor. Please, for a favor. In Spanish, that is por favor. Por favor. Please do me a favor. I think that's about it. Hopefully we have, let me see, I've done, let me do Monday. Monday, then this will be the last one, Monday. How do I say Monday in Spanish? Remember, Monday is really moon day, the day of the moon, moon day. And the Spanish word for moon is luna, like a lunar landing or a lunar calendar. The scientific name for the moon is lune. So that is lunes. Lunes is Monday.